徛台湾看世界，来看美国政府证实，北韩有派兵到俄罗斯，可能是要支援俄罗斯甲乌克兰的战争。白宫提出着警告，讲北韩军一旦若参加战争，将会将做乌克兰合法攻击的目标。
今日北韩阿兵哥出现伫俄罗斯东部海参崴的陆军基地，美国头一摆公开证实讲，北韩已经派兵到俄罗斯。
We assess that between early to mid-October, North Korea moved at least 3,000 soldiers into eastern Russia. After completing training, these soldiers could travel to western Russia and then engage in combat against the Ukrainian military.
白宫讲，北韩派遣的部队有3000人，因为北韩的原山自军舰去到俄罗斯的海参崴。CNN 定位北韩部队出现的地点是伫俄罗斯远东地区的谢尔盖耶夫卡的训练营，离乌克兰差不多6400多公里。
A uniform sizing questionnaire dated last week in both Korean and Russian.
北韩的阿兵哥到位了，会被要求写问卷，确认无制服甲鞋的寸笑，因为因会换俄罗斯的军方。
Why would Kim Jong-un be sending troops to Russia and to Ukraine?
So if Russia is successful, then the North Koreans could follow suit, and it could be a very dangerous situation.
We know about 10,000 soldiers of North Korea that they are preparing to send fight against us, and this is the first step to a world war.
白宫警告讲，北韩的军队一旦参战，将成为乌克兰合法的攻击目标。乌克兰总统泽连斯基表示讲，北韩的军事介入将是世界大战的开始，呼吁盟友对北韩甲俄罗斯的军事勾结采取行动。
Hello， 我是张新文。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。